The customary ringing of the bell that signaled AS Bryden Sons Holdings Limited officially joining the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the TTSE, on Friday morning. Founded in 1923, AS Bryden has grown into one of the largest distributors of fast-moving consumer goods in the English-speaking Caribbean. Known locally as Brydens, the company made history by listing on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange through an introductory listing. Unlike a traditional initial public offering or IPO, no new shares were sold. According to Chief Executive Officer of the TNT Stock Exchange, Eva Mitchell, it now gives existing shareholders access to trade their shares locally.
So unlike a typical IPO, this listing by introduction was not intended to raise capital, but rather it provides existing shareholders of AS Bryden with the ability to trade their shares. In fact, over 800 shareholders now have access to liquidity on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, and this pathway opens the possibility of attracting new shareholders to the company.
Executive Vice Chairman of AS Brydens, Michael Conyers, said the listing marks a transition from private to public ownership, embracing transparency and long-term growth.
For over 100 years, AS Brydens operated as a private enterprise. Today, we embrace our role as a public company, welcoming the scrutiny, accountability, and opportunities that come with public listing.
Management Associate of Republic Wealth Management Limited, Monique Makomi, said they served as lead broker, guiding the company through the regulatory process and preparing it for public trading.
This listing is also significant for what it represents in the wider financial ecosystem. By expanding their presence on our local market, AS Bryden is helping to strengthen our capital markets, deepening liquidity, broadening opportunities for local investors, and reinforcing confidence in the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange.
And the Vice President of Republic Financial Holdings Limited, Karen Yipchuk, spoke about the role of its subsidiary, Republic Wealth Management Limited, noting that the company is committed to building stronger, deeper, and more liquid markets.
It is a demonstration of confidence in the strength of our capital markets and a clear signal that opportunities for participation and growth are expanding right here at home. For shareholders, both current and prospective, today's listing means greater liquidity, broader access.
The listing includes 1.5 billion ordinary shares and 30 million preference shares, now available on both the TTSE's first-tier market and its US dollar equity market. Sonolala, TTT News.